Food tech company Savor Eat has developed 3D printed plant-based pork and turkey burgers. Customers can now get plant-based meat, customized based on their desired diet preferences with AI in terms of taste, protein, and content using Savor Eat's specially developed web application. Uniquely, Savor Eat's meat alternatives are customizable and created by a robot chef, which uses AI to produce burgers catered to diners' preferences and reduces food wastage. Last year, Savor Eat announced it would be launching its 3D printed burgers in the US via a collaboration with catering company Sodexo. Through the partnership, Savor Eat's burgers will be made available at American colleges. Producing plant-based meat emits up to 90% fewer greenhouse gases than producing conventional meat. As per the CEO and co-founder of Savor Eat, Rachel Visman, their team is passionate about offsetting carbon emissions and reducing waste. That is why they created a product that can do both. By expanding into other plant-based meats, they aim to provide greater variety and customization, to empower the planet to eat differently, with more healthy and sustainable options to reduce ecological impact.